Hi, welcome back to MyDroneCareer. Today we're going to discuss Canva for your professional drone business, what it is and why you should use it. If you haven't heard of Canva, Canva.com is an online graphic design tool. It has three real benefits to it. Number one, it's free. Number two, it's very quick and very powerful. But also number three is that you can have an employee create graphic design for you. All they need to do is log into your account and they can be anywhere in the world. So it has three real benefits to it. It also comes with a range of different templates. So if you want to create a business card, or a book cover, or if you want to create a YouTube thumbnail, let's say for example you wanted to upload some drone footage to YouTube and you quickly want to create a thumbnail, use Canva for this. It comes with a whole range of different templates which you can use. But you can also upload drone images. Let's say for example you wanted to upload an image of a drone or a photo you took, you can quickly do that and resize it straight away. One of the best features is the different text options. So if we wanted to, let's put change the text very quickly. Now, what Canva does is to group the text into different layouts. What we can do is just highlight it and just ungroup. And what that allows you to do is just move it, and then you can group it back together. So it's very flexible, very quick. Want to change the colour, you do that very quickly. You can also put in more images. So let's try some more drones. And if we want to put these at the back behind the text, we can do very quickly. So Canva is very powerful, very quick, ideal for creating thumbnails, any graphic design. If you want to create a quick presentation for a customer, you didn't have graphic design software available to you, you can just log on online and use this. And as we said before, you can use employees, so you can have you can share designs with different employees. All they need to do is log on, use the free services. So if you had a graphic designer on the other side of the world, he can produce some work for you to save you time. So it's a great service. There are some paid features that you may want to use, but everything you'll need to create good graphic designs are completely free. So go to canva.com, give it a go. It's a hugely popular site because it's just a great tool to use. So that's www.canva.com. If you'd like to receive more tips and advice on how to grow a professional drone business, please subscribe below and visit MyDroneCareer.com. Thank you.